Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can report the problems of the Proton Mail. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Proton Mail app. I'm going to open this. And after opening this, we have to open this sidebar. And after opening the sidebar, we need to scroll down. And after scrolling down, you will be able to see the second last option, which is called report problem. So let's click on the report problem. And after clicking on this, what we need to do, simply as you can see, these all details are written here. To help you, please provide as many as details as possible. So in a summary, we have to mention these all details, like steps to these all details we have right here. And after that, include logs. If you want to enable this or if you want to disable this, you can also do that. And once you are done whatever you write, and then you have to click on the send. And after clicking on the send, the reports, the problems will be reported. So in this way, you can report a problem of the Proton Mail on the app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. And now simply we have to click on the OK. So we are done. So see you in the next video.